Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to add your Apple Card to Apple Wallet. If you've just received your Apple Card or you're looking to streamline your payments, this quick guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the basics in place. You'll need an iPhone running the latest iOS, your Apple ID set up, and of course, your Apple Card details handy. It's always a good idea to update your iPhone to the newest software version to avoid any hiccups. Head to Settings, General, Software Update if you haven't already. Okay, let's jump into the steps. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's that iconic wallet icon on your home screen. Once you're in, tap on the plus sign, plus, in the upper right corner. This is where the magic begins. From the options that pop up, select Add Card or Apple Card if it's specifically listed. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just choose the debit or credit card option. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Apple Card information. Snap a photo of your card using your iPhone's camera for quick scanning, or manually type in the details like the card number, expiration date, and security code. Apple makes this super secure, so follow any on-screen instructions for verification, which might include a quick ID check or a text code to your phone. After that, review the information you've entered to make sure everything looks good. Tap Next, and agree to the terms if you're all set. Your Apple Card will then be added to your wallet, and you might see a confirmation message. That's it. You're now ready to use your Apple Card for seamless payments with Apple Pay. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check your internet connection or restart the Wallet app. And remember, once it's added, you can use it for everyday purchases, both in stores and online. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy guides. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.